In last week's video, I introduced you to Queen Creek's newest master plan community called Barney Farms. And in today's video, we're headed back to check out another single level floor plan. Stay tuned.
My name is Brandy Aguirre, and I'm a real estate advisor in the Phoenix East Valley, serving Arizona cities such as Gilbert, Mesa, Queen Creek, Chandler, and Apache Junction. If you haven't done so already, make sure to tap that subscribe button because each week I post new videos about the real estate market, things to do in Arizona, and home tours just like this one. Barney Farms is located in Queen Creek, Arizona, and it's about 40 minutes from Sky Harbor International Airport in downtown Phoenix, about 15 minutes away from Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, and only 5 minutes from some of Queen Creek's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. If you watched my last video, you know that Barney Farms is a master plan community by Fulton Homes with some incredible amenities. To recap, this neighborhood has a deep water lake, acres of parks and green spaces, a neighborhood trail system, and a lakeside aquatic center. You'll also find a plethora of sports courts, including basketball, pickleball, volleyball, and bocce courts. Homes at Meadows at Barney Farms range from around 1,700 to 2,600 square feet. There are 4 single-level floor plans with the option to add a second-level loft to each floor plan. Today, we're touring the coastal model. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and nearly 1,900 square feet of living space. Entering the home, the first thing you notice is the beautiful herringbone pattern floors. Immediately to the right, you'll find the linen closet, a full-size bathroom, and then a secondary bedroom at the end of the hallway. This bedroom measures in at about 10 feet wide by 11 feet long. The door straight ahead leads to the 2-car garage. This home features an enclosed den with double doors, but there's also an option to use this space as an open study, a formal dining room, or even as an additional bedroom. The laundry room has built-in storage above the washer and dryer and additional storage in a sink for added convenience. At the end of this hallway is a coat closet, the second full-size bathroom, and another secondary bedroom. This bedroom measures in at about 10 feet wide by 11 feet long. Now let's move on to check out the kitchen. The kitchen is stunning with the dark cabinets and the light counters. Keep in mind that granite countertops and GE appliances come standard with all Fulton Home new builds in Barney Farms. The pendant lighting and the LED lighting under the cabinets are the icing on the cake in this beautifully designed kitchen. The kitchen also features additional built-in storage and counter space and a walk-in pantry. This home has an eat-in kitchen, a fireplace in the living area, and atrium glass doors leading to the outdoor space. The primary suite is spacious enough for a king-size bed and a dresser, and you also have the option of adding tray ceilings. The primary bathroom has a large walk-in shower, a walk-in closet, and a linen closet. Let's head outside to take a look at the backyard. The backyard is landscaped with travertine pavers and turf grass. It also features a fireplace and a covered patio with a ceiling fan. All of the model homes here were built on smaller lots. The majority of lots at Meadows at Barney Farms range from around 5,500 to 8,000 square feet, but there are a few larger lots coming in between 9,000 to 12,000 square feet. Homes at Meadows at Barney Farms start around $500,000. This specific model, the Coastal, starts around $520,000 and goes up in price depending on the features you decide to add. Remember that the average person building a new home typically spends an additional 20 to 30% for their upgrades and design. So to build this home, you could probably expect to pay somewhere between $625,000 to $725,000. If you're looking for a new home in Queen Creek or any other Phoenix East Valley city, contact me and I'm happy to help you, whether it's a new build or just new to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't done so already, check out this video where I take you on a tour of a luxury home in Queen Creek with its own RV garage. Thank you so much for watching.